Make yourself a delicious chickpea biryani. Add whole spices to a pot of boiling water and a generous sprinkle of salt. Now add washed Daawat Deli Basmati rice and fried onions to the water and cook it until it's 80% done, about 10 minutes. Drain and set aside, and then heat oil in a pot and throw in grated ginger and garlic. Stir and add cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder and chilli powder. Stir again and then add the tomatoes and season with salt. Let it cook until the tomatoes have softened, and then add plain yogurt, fried onions, canned chickpeas and coriander leaves. Scoop some of the chickpeas mixture onto a plate and then layer some rice onto the chickpeas in the pot. Pour some saffron milk and then spread the rest of the chickpea mixture over the rice. Layer the rest of the rice and top with fried onions, remainder of the saffron milk and coriander leaves. Make some holes for the steam to pass, cover and steam for 10 minutes. Mix up the rice and chickpeas and your chickpea biryani is ready to enjoy.